Dwayne expressed that he is blessed based on the situations that he's had in his lifetime. He states that he came close to death and he knows that he is blessed because he was given another chance to live.
This is how I know I'm a blessed human being. At a stage in my life, I came this close to death, right? I perhaps won't go into the detail as to the backstory. Then maybe one day I may perhaps open up to you people about my story, you know? So when you see people coming on the media and saying all of these things about me, maybe if those individuals took the time out of their somewhat busy schedule to get to know me, then perhaps they would understand who I am, you know? Listen, I don't want no negative comments in my